see you there. Today's unboxing video is all about this tool, drill press. Okay, so this is pretty cool. You can like do little holes and okay, let's do this. So that turns it on and off. Go down and drill. Like that. And that, like that. Okay. This clamp kind of like makes it like there, so then it's like safe kind of for kids. And then get it on again. And like that. So, and this is the safety if you pull that off, kind of safety or something like that. And yeah. And back here, if the cameraman could get back here. There's this thing. Ooh, yeah, it goes like this, I think. And then it can move down, up, depending on like what you need for it. So, yeah. That was today's unboxing video. Goodbye.